a 914-6 engine that you've been following the build on. We're here at the build shop with the engine builder, Daz.
Hello.
So yeah, we've just been putting it back together. We're going to talk through what we've done on the engine and why we've done it. So at the current state, it's how far along is it? Would you say it is, bud?
2/3.
2/3. But the main thing was customer wanted more power. So what we've done is we've increased the compression ratio and we've changed the cams, which will give
A little bit more lift and more duration.
yeah. So yeah, we don't actually know how much it's going to put out yet till we roll and road it or put it on the hub dyno. But yeah, it'd just be a nice engine to drive, more power, very enjoyable basically. So, but it's had what, new bearings?
New bearings, it's had a full strip down, full clean. We've painted the crankcases, the barrels. Heads have been stripped. They were in very good condition. I think they've been reconditioned in some recent years.
Nice.
So they've just had a fresh lap, spring weights measured, etc.
Cool.
And yeah.
New chains.
New timing chains, full measured build. So yeah, we've
Nice.
gone from 8.6 to 1 to about 9.5 to 1 on this build.
Nice.
So not too much because we know the car's going to a hot climate
Yeah, yeah.
and running pump fuel. So yeah,
Cool.
it should be smart to drive.
Yeah, it's looking very pretty. Done a fantastic job. So as I'm here, I'm going to finish it for Daz because it's taking his time. So yeah, so we're going to head on. Daz is going to finish it up, and then the next stage you'll see is it going in the car. So we're going to do this now. Right, dude, let's chuck this on.
Excellent.
You ready?
I'm ready. You ready? You do it.
This is the world's biggest head. Does this go a certain way?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
This is good. Got to question these builders.
That does go a certain way.
Yeah. What have we got? Inlet exhaust.
Looks like that.
That looks good to me, mate. There we are.
Beautiful.
That's it, like brand new, mate. So it's good to turn up at the engine builder's shop and then build the own engine. You know, it's highly recommended. Dad, you can come to my shop and service your car, mate. So yeah, in a nutshell, it will be all back together by
Tomorrow, hopefully.
oh my word, tomorrow. It's going to be doing a night shift. But yeah, back together, back to us, and then you'll be updated as we put it into the car. So yeah, we're looking at running and driving for January, testing February, and then off to its new home and owner in
Tenerife.
Tenerife, yeah, March. I'm going to say April to make it safe. It's got to be driven down as well. So might drive it down with Pete, with the camera.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Yeah.
That would be
If
good.
it breaks down, then we can
Don't
phone that. Anyway, yeah, thanks guys, and yeah, hope you enjoy the build. Take care. What's up everyone, this is Ollie from Golden Barn Garage and we're following on the 914 restoration. So the engine is now back, which you saw from Daz, the engine builder. Rich has been here putting it all together, cleaning everything as we go, changing it if it needs to be new, cleaning and painting, and this is how lovely it looks now. Probably get some B-roll from Pete. I would say it's been the Fix It Ferries, but it hasn't. It's been that man over there. Say hello, Rich. Hi, Rich. So anyway, we're going to throw it in the hole now, and next week we should be going full paint. So yes. Anyway, there's nothing more to say. Let's throw it in the hole. Are you using these?
Washing the nuts, yeah. Oh.
I'll cut
that out, mate.
Cut that out.